Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Daily Goodie Box. This is a website where you sign up, it's free to join, and all that they ask is that you review the products that you get sent if you get chosen for a box. So you can get selected on their website, or if you follow them on social media, you can also win a box as well. And this is packed with goodies. So the first item is Fire Cider, Apple Cider Vinegar Wellness Tonic. It has the mother in it. And this has wildflower honey. I'm probably going to take that like immediately after this video. I love apple cider vinegar, take it every day, and I think that's awesome. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of really good stuff in it. Turmeric, ginger, very cool. Never heard of this brand, so that's awesome. Also have vanilla, nutmeg, cardamom. This looks like a candle from GoodLight. Ooh, that smells wonderful and definitely reminds me of fall. Love that. Also have green goo, plants with purpose. Free to breathe, eucalyptus, rosemary, and lavender. Okay, so this is a rub that temporarily relieves symptoms. Oh, that's awesome. Whether you have a cold, the flu, allergies, has a high concentration of herbs and essential oils for soothing relief. So you can put it under your nose, your chest, bottoms of your feet. I love that. Then we have Natural Eye and Brow Pencil, Easy Glide On Twist Up Pencil. I think it is taped. So let me open that. The shade is Black Sapphire. Very cool. Definitely use that. And there's a little sharpener at the other end. Very cool. Next we have Electrolyte Drink. This is Fruit Punch. And CBD Dry Skin Formula. That's awesome. That's a pretty big size too. And some SPF 30. This is mineral sunscreen. It's also tinted for your face. Sheer finish. This is so cute. A little hand sanitizer, and it comes with a refill. It says Jack and Jill on it. Rinse free. That's so cute. And then at the bottom they typically have a paper clip with additional information or coupons for the products. So here's one for the brow pencil. And you can save when you order online. And then one about the apple cider. So you can mix it, shoot it, add it to things. Very cool. Ooh, and then they give you a recipe for a vinaigrette. Love it. So if you guys are interested in Daily Goodie Box, I'll put all their information below and their social media in case you want to follow them and try to win a box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.